Let me. Yeah, it's recording. Yes.
Including the consultant, the dietitian, and the children's specialist diabetic nurse, is a part of education package that has been developed for newly diagnosed diabetes. Lily's parents will attending clinic today to learn about the pathophysiology of diabetes. This is to aid their understanding of their daughter's condition. So the task for the candidate is please discuss the pathophysiology of insulin-dependent diabetes with Lily's parents. Okay.
So, good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
Hi, I'm Dr. Irfan, one of the child doctor here. I believe you are Mr. and Mr. Hope.
Yes, doctor. I am Mrs. Hope.
Okay. And parents of Lily. I'm right.
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, nice to see you here.
Thanks, doctor. Nice to see you too.
Yeah. So today I'm going to discuss about Lily condition.
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, do you want anybody to join this discussion?
No, doctor. Actually, my husband is out of the station, so it's okay. You can discuss with me.
Okay. So I will be very simple. And in between, if you get confused or my conversation not understandable, you can stop me anytime. I will try to rephrase.
Yeah, that's very good. Sure, doctor.
Yeah. So, Mrs. Hope, what have been told you until now about the lily?
They told that Lily has diabetes, and they said it is type 1 diabetes. But that time was very difficult time for us, so we did not understand much about the condition, and that's why we have come again to understand about this condition.
Yeah, I completely understand your concern, and you must be worried about this condition. And how is the lily doing so far?
Yes, doctor. Lily is doing better now. We
That's great.
started insulin, and it is a little bit difficult for her right now to get used to have a regular insulin injection, but she's much better.
Yeah, I understand your worries, and it's a very difficult time for you people, quite shocking. And when the Lily is a 3-year-old and she is diagnosed with this condition.
Thank
So,
you, doctor.
do you, yeah, you're welcome. So, do you have any idea about diabetes?
No, my mom had diabetes, but she was not diagnosed early. Actually, she got diabetes when she turned around her 50s. I don't know why Lily has diabetes in such a small young age. She's just 3-year-old. So I have
Yeah.
no idea what kind of diabetes
Yeah.
she's having.
Yeah, really, I completely understand your frustration about this situation. I'm here to help you and let you understand. And if I let you know about diabetes, and when we eat the food, actually in our body, it gets converted into glucose.
Okay.
For glucose to utilize, to be used by our body, we need insulin. That is a hormone.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, which is produced by an organ in our tummy that is called pancreas.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm clear so far.
Yes, doctor.
Unfortunately, in this condition, the pancreas, that organ in our tummy, is not able to produce hormone that is called insulin.
Right. But why it is not producing, doctor? She was fine, absolutely fine. There was no issue. All of a sudden, this happened to her. What is
Very,
the
very good question.
reason?
Very, very good question. I must appreciate your concern. The thing is that in this condition, the pancreas, our organ in the tummy, is damaged by some infection process.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Okay.
usually our defense mechanism help us, but in the situation like this, our own cell come and destroy the organ like pancreas. So pancreas is not able to produce insulin.
So, doctor, which kind of infection her pancreas got?
Well, um, uh, it's a usually viral infection. Okay, that come that comes in this situation, and our defense mechanism uh, in the defense mechanism try to protect, but actually it is destroying the organ.
Yeah, but she did not get any cold, cough, nothing. She was not having any kind of viral infection, doctor.
You are right, completely right. I understand, but sometimes we have there is some uh, autoimmune. We call it autoimmune system. Our own defense mechanism produce some cell which destroy the organs in some situation like diabetes.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
I'm clear to you so far.
yes, yes, doctor.
Yeah,
So, what will
really, I
happen?
appreciate your understanding.
Yes, yes, doctor. So, what will happen? This defense system will also affect her other body organ also.
And very less likely, only this much part is affected. And okay,
Okay, doctor. Now I'm
yeah,
quite worried how she is going to be like with this condition. How she will go to school and what will happen about her sugar. Like every day giving insulin is very difficult for me. Is there
yeah.
any
Really, it
medicine
is.
you can give?
Yeah, I can
6 minutes.
totally understand your
3 minutes
situation and
remaining.
your worries about the condition.
Three
But
minutes.
we are here to help you. And
Three,
in order to cope this situation, our diabetic team will come and they will uh, educate you people and also Lily also, and they will let you know how to cope with this problem. I'm clear so far.
yes, yes, doctor. You have a 3 minutes, huh? 2.5 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. So they will let you know how to give the injection, okay, and where to give site wise, usually tummy, thighs, okay. It is a site for the injection, and they will also teach you when to get worried about when sometimes this patient has the problem of low glucose. We call it in medical terminology hypoglycemia. So how to cope, they will teach you, and I will refer to you to the diabetic care team that includes my consultant, dietitian, and diabetic specialist nurse. They are quite good in giving you education and cope with this position, condition. So far, I'm clear to you.
Yes, yes, doctor. But what I need to do if in case insulin becomes high and she develops the low blood sugar?
Well, we will teach you in a very good environment how to cope with these conditions. So I have arranged the team. They are coming on the way. They will let you know everything, and they will answer all your concern regarding this management.
Okay.
It's okay for you.
Yes, yes. Can I give her simple sugar if in case she develops low blood sugar?
Yeah, we will teach you. I will give you information leaflet for this problems, how to cope this problem. We are here to help you for
Okay.
sure.
Okay, doctor.
So anything else you want to know?
Okay. No, no, no. Thank you, doctor.
So I will just let you know about bullet point of our discussion that we discussed that Lily has a condition that is called diabetes type 1. For this, she needs lifelong insulin. And for this condition to cope with this problem, we will involve diabetic care team. And we will then let you know how to cope with the problems in the future. And I will
9
provide you information leaflet. Okay.
Okay.
And
Time's up.
yeah, time is over.
Time is over.
Okay, time is
Yeah,
over,
thanks
Dr.
a lot
Rafi.
for your time out. I
Thank you.
appreciate your 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 concerns and your patience and your understanding. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, doctor.
Okay, Dr. Haran, your feedback, please.
Yeah. So first of all, about the good point, Dr. Bhatti, introduction was very nice. You clarify the role, you ask for the attendance, and um, clear agenda. Also, you mentioned very nicely. Now, few things which was not there, the part of your task is like, yeah, the task was mainly the pathophysiology as per the given in the Rebecca, but
Right.
generally it should also be like, for example, some points you should include in that is like
Okay.
teaching for the
Okay.
hypoglycemia,
Okay.
as well as some of the touching to the basic complication, okay, like eyes, retinopathy, nephropathy. I mean,
Okay.
if you can cover, it's very good.
Okay. Very
Then,
good.
yeah, then apart from this, one thing like when you were in between, initially, you did not ask me like, am I clear? Later on, you asked one or two times. So I think later on you came again on the track. So that was a good thing. But for
Yeah.
first 6 minutes, you did not ask me whether am I clear to you.
I think
And
Dr. Haran, I ask you right after two sentences. I ask you, I'm clear. When I started that insulin produced by the organ called pancreas,
Mhm.
and in this condition, the pancreas is not able to produce insulin. That then I ask you, I'm clear.
Okay. So
Yeah.
maybe I forgot. Okay. Then the
Yeah.
other point
Yeah. Yeah.
you
It's
mentioned,
okay.
pancreas got infection. In the process of infection, you use that word. So that's why
Okay.
I stretch you. You gave
Yeah.
something.
You are. Yeah. Right. Right.
I was
Yes.
stretching you on that point. It
Yeah.
is like if you say it is exaggerated response of our own defense system, and it
Yes.
can
Right.
be against any organ. But in condition like this type 1 diabetes, here the pancreas does get affected, and because of that it destroys the cells, and that's why we lack the insulin, and insulin
Okay.
acts as a key which helps in
Help in the entry of
intake
glucose.
of
Yeah.
the sugar. Then
Yep.
I asked about the grandmother. She was having type 2 diabetes, why she got. So I was expecting at that time whether you will like clarify type 2 is a different, and here it is a different. So
Okay.
I was expecting that.
Okay.
Other than that, they also say, like I have seen a couple of meetings, they say sick days rule also you can mention if you have a time, like because we were running out of time. So I did not ask, otherwise it was in my mind to ask you what to do if my child gets sick, if he gets
Okay.
fever or something, what do I need to do?
Okay. Right.
So
Uh,
usually,
Mhm.
yes, I appreciate your all the feedback. Highly appreciated.
yeah,
Okay,
so
here I will just stop you and request you.
uh-huh.
The Rebecca wrote explain pathophysiology of the diabetes.
Yeah, that's why. That's why I'm
Yeah,
not
just
criticizing you, because it is
no,
a
no, no, just no, no, just a positive thing. I'm not asking any, not
yeah,
criticizing you.
yeah.
Suppose if I get after the type 1, type 2,
Hmm.
it is a time consuming,
Yeah,
first of
yeah,
all. So
yeah.
you are right. I should say that is different category. This is different category. We can explain to you later when we have other meeting. I forget to tell you next meeting we have.
Yes.
Okay. And then if I tell you that all complication, it is a very huge topic. It's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
difficult to
It's a
cope with
huge,
the time.
right. It's a huge topic.
Okay,
Just
okay.
you have to
Mhm.
answer. If I put a question in front of you, you have to answer. Otherwise,
Yes.
you should not. You
Yeah,
should.
yeah. That
Okay,
grandmother
Bhatti,
question should be answered.
Dr. Bhatti will come back to you. Anyone else has noted anything which need to be improved in this scenario?
One thing when Dr. Hiran asks you, it's very difficult to give injection. So you can say that uh, you show your sympathy. That was very nice, and you can say that managing diabetes mellitus can take time to get used to it, but
Yes, right.
you can do still all the things you enjoy. So it will be kind of it takes time,
Uh, ca-
all the people.
Yani, Rohel, we should say it takes time.
Yeah, it take time to
Time.
get used to it,
Okay,
because
good.
all the people who are having this type 1 diabetes initially they are very this phobia type kind of things. They
Yes,
are
body will
taking
be
that,
take time to adjusting the things.
yeah,
You will
but
feel it
after
also. Yes, right.
few weeks they are used
Mm.
to, and they are not even fearing of injections or needles.
Yeah,
Phobia is
yeah.
not,
Okay,
so they will get used to it.
okay,
And
no
one
problem.
more thing I want, exactly, you have started very nicely. Introduction was very nice, and I was looking the time at it was in the 1 minute you was on the agenda, but after the agenda you asked three questions, like in the history you are asking. So you
Okay,
lost the 1.5 minute.
okay,
Then you came to agenda again after almost at the 3 minute you came to agenda. So you
okay.
should
Yes.
avoid that questions, as we were listening that day Dr. Wajud and other seniors, they are saying that you can ask one question, maximum or two questions, but it should not be kind of history, as you have already asked
No,
prior
it
knowledge.
was okay. I believe you are right, but the thing is that I just asked the question like, what you know about diabetes?
Yeah, you asked the first question, then you asked
Yeah.
two other questions also.
Other I what I said. I think I had one question I asked. What any idea do you have
You
know
asked
about
again
diabetes?
that how's Lily going, how's she's doing, and
How
Yeah,
this is
this
a
is the
no no no
question
no no.
also.
This is a acha, if you open Rebecca, first word he wrote like that. The Lily, how Lily doing?
you should ask just do you know about this type 1 diabetes mellitus, any idea about it? And she will say, then you as you said that I will clarify, and if my talk is not understandable you can interrupt me, I will rephrase it.
Yeah.
Then you should come to the agenda that this is insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, and the which cause the level of glucose, that is sugar, high in our body.
Yes. Right.
And uh, the cells in the organ inside the tummy, that is we call pancreas, is producing this hormone insulin. So
Yes. Right.
insulin is necessary for to get entry of sugar into the cells.
Right.
So like from the right way you can
This is the
start.
pathophysiology.
Yeah, you can start from the right way,
Mm.
so
Okay.
it will
Right.
save time, and then
You
you
are
can
right.
come to
I got your concern. In order to
yeah.
no, the my question is that when we start, how is the Lily doing? It's wrong.
No, that's okay,
No,
that's
no,
very nice.
it was okay,
It
but
was
I think
rapport,
two
you are
times
building
you
rapport,
asked.
that
I asked two times.
I
yeah.
think so. Before the
Yeah,
agenda meet and after the agenda meet.
No, 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 no.
you
Agenda. I
asked
didn't
first
ask anything
agenda.
about. No, no, no. I said you are parents of Lily.
No.
Mm.
Dr. Bhatti, you asked first agenda, then you said that if not understandable, then you again asked the question. You forget that, maybe.
Okay, okay, no problem. Maybe I
We
did.
will see the recording. Okay. So
Yeah.
No, it's
anyone
okay. I
else with
accept.
any
No,
other?
no, no, no. Really, I
Mm.
appreciate. No, really,
So,
it's not. I'm not
because
leaving.
we are recording the meeting, so
We will
better to
listen.
restrict to the,
Yes.
so you will
Yes.
listen,
True.
or everybody else also will listen. So,
Yes. Anyone
Okay,
else?
the point is
okay,
to
yes,
restrict
yes.
and come to the
Otherwise,
point.
very nice. You always nice, we know.
Comment drawing is important.
Dr. Nihad, your voice we cannot hear. It's
Cannot
disconnecting.
hear.
Yes, Dr. Rashda.
Okay, yes, I want to say, Dr. Bhatti, you did it very well. And just one or two comments, you did not draw any picture. Picture is very much
Right.
important, apart
Yes,
Mm.
from
very
all other
good. This is
comments. This
this
is
thing
very
I.
much important.
Yes, right.
Yes.
I was practice.
Mm.
And
I was doing practice
hmm,
also, but I forget.
yes, yes.
You are right. Very, very.
You should
Yes.
practice for it. Okay, and
Yes,
the
right.
next one, like one thing only, when they ask about what is the cause of this autoimmune disorder, we can say like this, like the exact cause is actually, the exact cause is not known,
Unknown.
but there can be some causes like this, that this, because the
Right.
mother said like my child was not having any viral illness. So
Right.
we should start with this, like exact cause is not known, but there can be, or
Very
there
good.
may be these
Yes, right.
causes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
these
Really.
nice, otherwise it was
Uh,
good.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, Dr. Nehal.
Yes, my comment, it was not drawing. The same comment for Dr. Rashta.
Okay.
Yes,
Drawing.
this is a big blunder.
Otherwise, it was fine.
Okay. Dr. Rifat said about the jargon. Dr. Rifat, will you please tell us which jargon was there? In the
Okay, and
message,
one
I
more
think.
thing we can say, like when she was asking how will my child cope with this condition now, we can also offer them some support groups, and we can also give them contact number of other families having other families with their children having diabetes mellitus, so that they can contact with them, or they can like liaise with those families. We
Right.
can also offer them.
Yes, right, right. Valid thing. Yes.
Okay, so it's a good presentation. I will not tell you about your positive things. I will just comment on the negative things. Which
That's good.
we have to comment on negative. Positive, we all know that.
Yep.
We will not waste the time actually. So
Yes,
it's you all discuss the things. The agenda made 2 times, means 1 time, but after that you ask the question. So it is not appropriate. You should, after agenda, you should tell the pathophysiology. And the other thing, whenever the scenario is there, we should read the scenario, what is our task,
Yeah.
right? So we will not go away from our task. If role player is taking us away from the task, we have to take him back on the task, but we have to reply his or her question. This
Okay.
is the communication skill.
Right.
So
I
in this
understand.
situation, like he asked the question, you have to answer up this question, but again, you have to bring him back on the track. This is your job.
Okay. Good.
And she said about that she was worried about the child, how she will manage in a school and these things. So at that time we can say that it's like if Lily will use the insulin properly, she can live a normal life like her peer.
Right.
It's not
Right.
like
Right.
things that she
Yeah, I
is
forget this to
affecting her
say this
studies
sentence.
and these
Yeah.
things. Okay, so and which already has explained in the in the scenario that already mother has explained about the insulin diabetic team and everything is there. She had a visit. So this is the package of second visit is package of to inform the pathophysiology. So if she is asking, then we can say that already our diabetic team has explained to you. But if you did not understand, I will arrange another meeting with our diabetic team so that they will tell you about. Again, they will explain you if you don't understand. They will provide you also the written information.
Right.
We will
Right.
not repeat their job. Our job is to pathophysiology.
Yes. Right.
Right. So the remaining was okay. It was nice. And Dr. Rafal, you wrote about jargons. Is there any jargons? Because he explained before, then he used about organ. This was the only thing which I noticed.
He used autoimmune, but the same time
He explained it.
he explained.
Dr. Irfan also used hormone. So instead of that, we can say that it is a substance produced by body. And
Yeah. Right.
and instead of saying that the low blood sugar in medical terminology is called hypoglycemia, so mother is not concerned that what is called hypoglycemia or
Sure. Okay.
hyperglycemia. So it should be avoided, and it will save the time too.
You are right. Actually, Dr. Rifat, I just read this thing from the patient info
Okay.
NHS.
Okay. Okay.
They
Okay.
mention hormones, okay, and usually the terminology they are using in UK are hypos.
Yes.
Okay.
So I mean, I'm sorry
Okay.
to tell you, but it's written in the what is called NHS, and
Okay.
hypos is quite common term in UK. They are frequently using, and you are right. We should save the time. And yes, I really appreciate your all the feedback.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Helen. Will you pause the recording for 2 minutes?
Okay.